Okay, so this video we're going to take notes on page 14, 15, 16, and 17 of your packets. So flip that open in your tan packet. So here we have a table about me entering a hot dog eating contest. And down here there's a typo. It says I can eat 15 hot dogs per minute. I can only actually eat 5 hot dogs, so please change that. But so the COP is going to be 5 hot dogs per minute. So when we go to graph that, we're going to have the number of hot dogs on our x-axis. And, oops, sorry, no we will not. We will have the minutes because that is the independent variable. So the number of minutes go on the x-axis. The number of hot dogs go on the y-axis. And so we get our graph starting at 0, 0 since it's proportional. 1 hot dog was 5 minutes, 2 hot dogs was 10 minutes, or 2 minutes, 10 hot dogs, 1 minute, 5 hot dogs, and 3 minutes was 15 hot dogs. And we can connect all those points with a line. We'll try to make it a little bit straighter than that. There we go. So that's the first problem we have there. The second problem gives us an equation and a verbal description about Miss Reynolds running, training for a marathon. She can do 3.5 miles per hour. So that's her COP. And so in our graph, we're going to put hours as our x variable and miles as our independent variable. She's going to start 0 hours with 0 miles. 1 hour, she runs 3.5 miles. 2 hours is 7. 3 hours would be 10.5. And 4 hours would be a total of 14 miles. Go Miss Reynolds. And so that would be our graph. And our table would be hours and miles. So 0 hours, 0 miles. 1 hour, 3.5 miles, 2 hours, 7 miles, 3 hours, 10.5, 4 hours, 14 miles. So pause the video for a moment. I'd like you to try the next 2 pages on your own based off of these notes that we just filled in. So pause the video, try the next ones. When you're ready, unpause the video and take a look at the answers. So here are the answers to the next pages. Here, since I'm reading 2 books every day, that's my COP. My graph, I labeled days on my x-axis and books on my y-axis. And my equation would be y equals 2x. On the next page, I used the coordinate of this, oops, not that one. I used the coordinates of this point, which were 2, 3, to find my COP. And so I did y divided by x. I did 3 divided by 2 to get 1.5 loaves per minute. So I can bake a loaf and a half per minute. And then from there, 2 minutes would be 3 loaves, 3 minutes would be 4.5 loaves, 4 minutes would be 6 loaves. So hopefully now you understand a bit better how to do all of the representations of our proportional relationships.